Is your Ford Focus, Kuga, or Fiesta key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. These fobs typically use a CR2032 battery, a widely available and inexpensive 3-volt lithium coin cell. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or coin to open the case. Gently pry it open, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Note that Fiesta models from 2013 to 2019 often have a sliding mechanism. Once open, replace the old battery with a new CR2032, ensuring the positive plus side faces up. Properly close the case, making sure any rubber gaskets, especially on newer Focus and Kuga models, are correctly sealed to prevent moisture damage. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, your fob might need to be resynchronized with your car. Try cycling the ignition, turning the key to the on position without starting the engine, and then back off several times. Some Ford models allow resyncing through the Ford Pass app. If the issue persists, especially in post-2020 models with enhanced security, the MyKey system or a dealer reprogramming might be required. According to Ford, a simple resync resolves over 50% of these cases. As a last resort, consider that a faulty fob will cost $150 replacement at a dealership. Automotive technicians emphasize that 80% of key fob issues are battery-related, so always start there.